Hi guys, so we will start today about the array in JavaScript. What is array? So let's start. Uh, I am not defining everything just like theory part, but I think we should have to start from practical. So what is array actually? Actually, array we can say arrays are just like a data structure, non-primitive data structure we can say because the primitives we have seen in last videos. So non-primitive data structure which holds the different kind of data. Okay, so just start something related to some basic understanding on the array. So I will just showcase one array example here, just like number array. Okay, so we can say we will put some data over here. So this is the basic array. Array is a collection of some different kind of data, we can say. Why we are writing the array? If there are some values are there, because when there are some collection of data, okay, some different kind of data or similar kind of data, we have to get in a single data structure. So we are organizing these data inside the array because the single variables are we can use in different manner. But if there are multiple variables, multiple values are coming, so we will store those values, we will manipulate those values through the array. So this is the basic concept about the array, but it's a very important to know exactly about the arrays and object, because arrays and object both are very important in every programming language. Because you can't say that is we are not using array and we can, but because without array the programming language is not there. So we have to study, we have to learn, we have to practical on that, we have to practice on that. Okay, so I will tell you exactly, it's just like I will tell one or two lectures on that. But from basic understanding, it's very important to start with us. So you see this is the array. Okay, up that then if the array is there, what is mean? It means array is collection of the arrays values are defined in their indexes. Just like index, what is index? Means 0, 1, 2. Here three elements are there. So first element 10 is belongs to 0 index, 20 is belongs to 1 index, and 2 is belongs to 2 index. The 30 is belongs to index 2. Index means the location, the address of these values. Okay, so 10 have the index 0, 20 have 1, and 30 have 2 index. So this is the concept of array. Arrays are basically distributed having their values inside the index, their own index. Okay, so what, how we will check the values length of array? So from basic I'm starting. So if we are trying to check, then we can log the number array dot length. Dot length is the method where from where we can check the length of the array. So here in functions I am doing, 1 minute, I will comment it out. Okay, this is the array, so I will run the file of array only. So node, you can see 3 is the value, length is 3. And if anybody saying that find the last value of element, so we will log it. Okay, dot, then after again dot length, -1. Last value, we are finding the last value. Okay. So here is some issue. Representation is with the index only. So what is it is mean? It is mean that we are we are finding the last index of this array. It means so it becomes 30. If we are adding some more values, you can check it, just like if we are putting 100 over here. So what is the output of this? The 100, the last value. How we will find the last value of array? So if we have to push some data on this, uh, on the last index, on the first index. So what these functions? There are four type of functions. Four important functions are there. That is push, push method. Sorry, push, pop, shift, unshift. Okay. So these are four important methods related to array. There are a lot of methods are there, but most important methods we are just like discussing over here. So I am showcasing everything one by one, and it is not just like one video of array. I will make I think 2 3 videos more on that, so that you can get exactly all the from basic to advanced level, all the understanding about the array. So now the array is there, we have to push some data from the end at the end index. If we have to push any data, any value at the end of the index, and means the 100, just like beside the 100 is the last index value. So how we will push? So we will take this number, we just take const new arr equal to this array dot push. We are pushing, for example, we are pushing 200 something, and let's print the new array. What is the new array values are there? Okay, so everything you can just practice with me. I have to save that, then after I am compiling. So it is 1 minute, the 5 values it is showing to me. Why it is showing 5? Array number. Okay, no issues. You can print over here. I'm not saving it. So you can see the final array. The final array becomes this, and the last value we have pushed over here. We are not storing these anywhere. Okay. So the original array will be modified, and the values are there in the index, and last index we have pushed one value as 200. So next is, I just comment it out and print all this. When the array we have to pop. Pop means push means one value at the end. Pop means remove the value from the end. Okay, dot pop. So in the pop, we are not giving any parameter, just like we have given in the push. So what is this now becomes? So the result is we have the originally we have what we have that is 10, 20, 30 and 100. The fine when we are running the pop in the current element, current array, so the one element will remove from here, the last element, that is 100. So the final array becomes 10, 20 and 30. Similarly, we can take an example to shift. What is shift here? Shift just like push and pop working from the last index means pushing data at the last, removing the value from the end, pushing the value at the end. So these are working at the end of the index, but shift and unshift working at the start of the index. So what is mean by shift? If we are writing here number array dot shift. So if you have any confusion, so you can see there is a also a definition about this. If remove the first element from an array and return it. If the array is empty, undefined is returned and the array is not modified. So remove. You can see also the syntax over here. The method array number type dot shift. So there is not any confusion on this. When we are running this and printing the array name, what is we have defined on the top. So what is the output of this? You can see 10 is removed from the start of the array. You can see here. Similarly, what is unshift here? Number array dot unshift. Unshift means just opposite of that. Unshift is just like some items we can provide. You can see here element to insert at the start of the array. Okay, insert new element at the start of the array and return the new length of the array. The new length will be provided. For example, unshift, we are unshifting some values just like 99. Okay, so 99 value is the unshift value. So we are printing over here. You can see 99 is added from the start of the array. So these are important methods about the array. And guys, I am just like printing all these values in front of you and just showcase all the output related to every concept. And I from today I'm starting just like GitHub website, just like GitHub account, and the repository, GitHub repository is here. So you can see GitHub slash code with gun. This is my URL. I will provide in the description, in the video description. I will provide this GitHub URL to you, and there are all the codes are provided here. Every showcase, whatever I have run in this example, and I have given every code is here present in the repository. Okay, so you can just take understanding, and if you feel anything just like missing, and if you are not going with the videos, then you can see you can take help from these code. So I am pushing that code. So it is showing me the array is modified. Next video, I will also show something other related to array, because there are in ES6 there are lot of methods are there, just like map, reduce, filter, these methods. So these are I will tell you exactly. These are exactly not related to the array, but also with the object. So in this series, I just want to complete all these concept related to array object, so you have some basic understanding on that. Okay, so I committed and I push. Okay, so you can visit the repository there. Array JavaScript is there. Whatever I have written here, you can get. Okay, I have make a code of this. So guys, be connect with me through video. If you feel anything, then you can put your comment on the videos. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you very much.